Hello everyone, today we're gonna do the unboxing of the AlgoLaser Alpha. So in the box is gonna be the air pump and the laser itself. Let's open it and see how it looks inside. So in the big box we see the two boxes, which one is the smallest and the other one is the biggest, which is the laser. So let's start from the first one. So the box have inside the big and the small box. The big is the laser and the small is the air pump, which we're gonna do the unpacking. So this is how the box looks. Let's take a look at this and then let's open it. So here we have the manual book and the after-sale card. Don't forget not to lose your after-sale card. Please keep it, it's really important. The next is the air pump with the connector. And we have here the one tube. So let's begin to unboxing the big box. So in this box, we have two boxes. This one having the manual book and the certificates and also the after-sale card, which you shouldn't lose, keep it with yourself. Here we have a sample materials which you can use for the engraving and the first time. And also another sample is a plywood, which you can use for this sampling. So let's see what do we have next in this box. And here we have the main parts of the machine. We have a toolbox. Inside this box we have here 17 of M4x12 screws. The next is 2 of M4x16 screws. Next is going the 2 of count links, and we also have some of the different Allen keys. Also the wrench. And next is spare fixture adjuster, and the last but not least, the machine case set. Let's see what do we have next. Here we have the laser goggle, the USB cable, and the lens box. In the lens box we have the replacement lens, replacement O-ring, replacement nut, lens tool, and the lens finger guard. Next we have the power cable with the power adapter, rear panel assembly and the front assembly. Also we have the motor extension shaft and the right Y-axis assembly, X-axis assembly, and the LP20A laser model with the left Y-axis assembly. So this is all for today's unboxing. Please make sure that you have every part in your box. Either you can check this in your manual book by numbers. If you don't have some of the parts, please contact us. Thank you. Goodbye.